we had made it all the way from Norwich to Pompeii on our bikes. And it felt great. Not going to lie. We drank some beer, we sight saw, but now we obviously had to get back home. And we still, we were only halfway there. So where were we going now? The plan was to head across. This is Pompeii. Head across. I think we went this way, but it could have been this. No, we would have gone this way. Yeah, definitely this way. I think, depending on the road, but I think it's this way we went. And it was here where we had our first major problem. I think we had some other problems during the trip, but nothing major. This was a big one. And this happened because we were riding down, up and down mountains going across here. And we were cycling. Let's just draw our bike. We were cycling down. And when we were cycling down, we went round a corner, right? Like a corner. So this is us. And we come this way and we go round the corner. And on that corner, or here, roughly here, there was a hole. So we come round on our bikes and we not fall into the hole. It wasn't that big, but it was a pothole. So we went and crashed in and came out. Now, my bike had flat tires, but Joe's bike and his wheel, it had broken. So we were stuck. We were stuck on the side of a mountain, basically. And so what do we do? Now, what we had to do was we had to hitchhike. Which was on the road here. There's me, and there is Joe, and we have our bikes here, a bike here, and we had to hitchhike. Let's see if I get that in camera. No, where you put your thumb out and wait. We waited for a lift, and we had to wait for a car to come this way. Not a great drawing of a car, and we waited, and eventually we got picked up by a guy called Alfredo. This is him. Here's Alfredo here. And he was amazing. So he took us to a restaurant where we ate food and we chatted. And it was this guy's restaurant. And he was the most Italian person I've ever met, where he was doing quite a lot. I don't know if that's wrong to say, but he was doing this a lot, and it was amazing. Alfredo also took us to his house, where we slept. We ate again, and he took us to the bike shop, or a bike shop. Here and out here, he sold bikes. Lots and lots of bikes. He sold bikes. And there, Joe could get his bike fixed, his broken wheel fixed. So Joe bought his brand new wheel, fixed his bike, and we left. But where did we go? We went to a train station. A train station. We cheated a little bit. The reason we cheated was because Joe, for example, he had to be home this time, August the 10th, for example. But it was already, I don't know, 20, this 28th, 25th, somewhere here, something like that. And we had very short amount of time. So we decided to take the train. This is Joe, obviously, at the train station. And we took the train to Bologna. And I'll leave it there. And I hope you join me in the next episode where we head to Bologna and meet my good friends, Chi and Francesco. In a bit.